Hello and welcome to this tutorial about setting up a CraftBukkit server and installing plugins. So let's start out with creating a new folder on the desktop. This is mostly for Macs, by the way. Let's just name it server. Alright, perfect. Looks good. So now you're going to want to go to this link will be in the description, the CraftBukkit thing, and the recommended build is the best, but it's only for 1.4.7. The beta build is the second best, and development build is the third best. It'll be a little more buggy, but I'm going to go ahead and get the development build just because why not? Alright, so let's let that download, and then let's open this up in Finder. Alright, great, so let's close that out, and open up your server folder. Alright, so you're going to want to just drag that in, okay, perfect, and then let's just rename this craftbukkit.jar instead of craftbukkit da-da-da-da-da-da. Let's delete all that. Alright, looks good. Perfect. So, well, you're already halfway there. That was really easy, wasn't it? Easier than you thought. So, now let's go into text edit. There are apps for Windows too, but it's not the same as text edit. It'll be similar though. First, let's go to make plain text. And then what you're going to want to do is paste in this code that will be in the description. So this is pretty much to start the server, and let's just look at this real quick. You see these numbers right here, okay? This is how many megabytes your computer will dedicate to the server. So it starts out with default 1 gigabyte, 1024. You can make this 2 gigabytes by putting obviously 2048. I'm going to go ahead and put 3050, which isn't quite 3 gigabytes. But, I mean, for just a couple people, 2 gigabytes, 1 gigabyte will be fine depending on how fast your connection to the network is. Alright, so let's go ahead and save this, alright? And let's save it into the same folder that's right there, the server folder, if I can find it here. Sorry, I'm kind of really tired today. Anyway. Alright, so let's save it right in here. There we go. And let's name it Start.command. This is really important. You have to name that Start.command, because that's how you're going to start your server. So, now that's all great. Let's go ahead and quit out. Okay. Now you're going to want to go into terminal. This is also only for Macs. So, what you're going to want to do, this is just giving permission to run Start.command. Let's go chmod space a+x space. Okay, space is important. Then drag your Start.command in and hit return. Okay, perfect. Now it doesn't say anything, but you've given your Start.command permission to run. So that's all you need to do in terminal is quit out. Alright, so now let's run the server for the first time already. Open up Start.command, and it's going to give you all this stuff. And this may take a little minute or so, because it has to load spawn. So let's let that load, and you'll see all these folders back here behind the window being generated, and those are your worlds, your server properties, your banned people, your opt people, your configuration. There's tons of stuff back there, okay? So we might mess around with that. I'll actually do that in another video if you guys want me to. So now let's stop the server by stop, return, and wait until it says process completed. There you go, to quit out of terminal. So now your server has been turned off. Alright, perfect. That's great. So, there's tons of stuff in here. And now, the plugins folder you see right there, that's going to be where how to install plugins. And installing plugins is even simpler than it was to create the server. Alright, so let's just open the plugins folder, and let's go to essentials. This is obviously an essential plugin. I'll do a tutorial if you guys want me to, but it's really extensive, and there are lots of configurations, so I don't really want to. But if you guys want me to, tell me in the comments and I will. So let's go ahead and download Essentials. Alright, and Essentials comes with 5 jars, as you'll see when we unpack it on our desktop here. I'm going to install all 5. You guys don't have to, but you might as well because they're all great and helpful and stuff. Let's just take that away. And let's open Essentials. Mine unzips automatically. You'll have to unzip yours. And let's drag all 5 jars. Well, I'm going to. You don't have to. Drag all 5 jars just into our plugins folder that's in our server. Alright, looking good. Okay, so pretty much they're all in there now, but you're going to have to start the server to get them to load their configuration and world files and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and Start.command. Let's open that up. Alright, and you'll see all these essentials things in the console. So that's a really good sign as long as you don't see any warnings. Alright, that's perfect. Let's go ahead and stop the server. Stop, return, perfect. Process complete. There we go. Alright, looking good. So you've now installed essentials. Congratulations. Wasn't that simple? Yeah, exactly. There's the config, the warps, all that good stuff. The config has a lot of stuff in it. And again, I'll do a tutorial if you guys want me to. Okay, so we've got a lot of stuff here. None of it you really need unless you want a whitelist and stuff. So let's just go ahead and run the server. And I want to, yeah, let's go ahead and log on to the server. I'll show you how. Let's open up our Minecraft right here. Yeah, let's log in. Bloody Domo, and then my password is ... Okay. So what you're going to do is you're just going to add this server to your multiplayer list, or you can direct in it. I like to add it to it. Let's add server. Let's just name this my server. Okay, so the way that you're going to connect to your server, if you're hosting it on the same computer, is type localhost as the IP address. And as you'll see, it says a Minecraft server, and it says, as I'm logging in, you see those things in the console popping up. Alright, so here's our randomly generated world. And I try to see if I can't, I'm not opt, so I can't type game mode 1, and as you see, that's in the console. It says, denied access, try to type game mode 1, So, I could use the console to opt myself, /opt bloody, or actually I don't think you have to type /, yeah, opt bloody domo. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it manually. So it's really simple. Let's stop the server. And what we're going to do is go into the ops.txt right here in our server folder. So, then you just, all you have to do is type in your name. Obviously mine is Bloody Domo, whatever yours is. Just type in the name, and then if you want to add more, just hit return, and on another line do everyone else's name. Let's go command save. Alright, perfect, that looks good. So let's hit the start.command again, and open, oh, first let me change out the world, because I have another server I've already made, and I want to use that because I have a spawn and stuff, so I'm just going to name this world 1 so I can move it out of my folder. Obviously this isn't something you guys will do unless you have a previous spawn, and you can save worlds from single player if you want to. Okay, so now that I've got the spawn that I want, and it will also remember like my inventory and stuff from that server too, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and open start.command, and the usual stuff will pop up. Let's go into Minecraft. Let's log into the server. This is going to start feeling really familiar to you. Really, really fast, trust me. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and log in now. Alright, good. Now that we've logged in, we can stop the server. It said I was op and stuff. Okay. So, I'm just going to start the server back up and just sort of, I don't know. I'm going to talk now. So, I'm going to start doing tutorials on how to install, and mostly how to use, because installing is easy, how to use plugins. I already have planned, like, I might do Townie. It's really complicated. Factions, Disguisecraft, I have a paintball one I want to do. But I will do Essentials and World Edit and World Guard and simple ones like that if you guys want me to. However, they're really, really extensive. Especially Essentials and World Edit. So, if you guys really want one, you can leave it in the comments, but if I don't get asked to do it, I'm not going to do one. But I do plan to do some really awesome plugins and just show you how they work and stuff, and yeah, to help you get some on your server. So you guys, I hope this tutorial has helped you. As you can tell, it's really simple. So if I helped you, please help me. Leave me a like. By the way, here's like the configurations for Essentials and stuff. Leave me a like. One last little note. You know how it says a Minecraft server on the Minecraft list? If you want to change that, you can go into the server.properties right over here on the right. And at the very bottom, oh, hold up. At the very bottom, it'll say MOTD, message of the day, and it'll say a Minecraft server, and so you can just change that to it if you want. I'm going to say welcome to JoeCraft. So I'll do that and show you how it says that on the Minecraft multiplayer list for my Minecraft. Anyway, so if you guys want to get updated on when I add plugin videos and stuff like that, go ahead and hit subscribe. It will help me out a lot. And yeah, okay. So let me go in here and show you some of this. I set whitelist to true. You probably don't want to do that, but if you want to, all these configurations, I don't really ever mess with them because they're fine how they are. And go ahead and save that, by the way. I like them how they are. If you want to add whitelist and such, you can do that. I'm gonna start the server real quick and make sure message of the day worked. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I really, really, really hope this helped you because I just want to help you guys. There we go. Welcome to JoeCraft. So, make sure to leave a comment, like, and if you're watching this later, make sure to check out my other plugin videos. They're going to be really awesome. So, see you later. If you have any problems, ask me in the comments. Bye.